Hello everyone, welcome back, and you're watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Safari images not loading on iPhone and iPad after the updating of iOS. So without wasting any time, let's get started. We start from basic. The first and basic method is we have to make sure that we have a strong Wi-Fi connection. If you are using mobile or cellular data, make sure that you are using 4G LTE. After that, if you're still facing the same issue, then we go for some other solutions. Solution number 2. Go to settings, scroll down, find and tap on Safari. Now scroll down and tap advanced. Under advanced, we have to make sure that JavaScript is enabled. Solution number 3. Go to settings, scroll down, find and tap on Safari. Under Safari, scroll down and tap Clear History and Website Data and tap again Clear Data in pop-up menu. Solution number 4. Go to Settings, connect to Wi-Fi, then tap General and tap Software Update and update your iPhone if update is available. That's it. Friends, hopefully you found this video helpful. Then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.